Imagine the frustration of searching for your favorite earrings only to find them tangled in a mess. Let's solve that with a DIY jewelry organizer. Not only will it keep your jewelry organized, but it will also make it easily accessible. First, let's gather our materials: a wooden frame, chicken wire or mesh, small hooks, a staple gun, scissors, paint, optional, and decorative elements. Start by removing the back of the wooden frame. Measure the chicken wire or mesh to fit inside the frame precisely. Cut the wire to size using scissors, ensuring it fits snugly. Next, attach the chicken wire or mesh to the back of the frame with a staple gun. Pull the wire tight and secure it at multiple points to ensure stability. Now, let's add the hooks. Evenly space small hooks along the wooden frame's edges. These will hold your necklaces, bracelets, and more. If you want to add a splash of color, paint the frame using weather-resistant paint. Choose colors that complement your room's decor. Once dry, personalize your organizer with decorative elements like ribbons, beads, or small ornaments. Just ensure these additions don't interfere with its functionality. Finally, hang your new jewelry organizer on the wall and arrange your jewelry. Admire your neat, organized collection and enjoy the simplicity and practicality of this project.